Cnc-Takang is efficiently organized with top engineers. More than 40 years of machine tool manufacturing experience. Accumulated mechanical design and manufacturing experience. Therefore can provide the best machine tool quality and technical services. Cnc-Takang has ISO 9001 quality certification and strict QC management system. Cnc-Takang's excellent quality comes from manufacturing accuracy standards higher than ISO standards. Cnc-Takang heavy-duty machine also has the excellent positioning accuracy, bed accuracy and heat treatment hardening are strictly controlled projects, committed to manufacturing superior performance machinery. Have European EC examination certificate. Also provide OEM service for European customers. Cnc-Takang machines are all made in Taiwan and sell to all over the world. High trust products are used for oil, energy, aerospace and transportation industry. Cnc-Takang products are trusted by many international brands. Many internationally renowned manufacturers, such as Boeing, Nissan, are our long-term customers. More than 70% of Cnc-Takang products are exported to Europe, due to have the excellent quality. Cnc-Takang has ability to provide the professional customized services. Cnc-Takang will continue to develop and produce high-end intelligent production equipment to meet customer demand, such as auto loading and unloading system, FMS and Industry 4.0. Cnc-Takang is also committed to giving back to the society and donating to social welfare institutions every year. All Cnc-Takang members are involved in sponsoring vulnerable children to help them have better education. Our goal is to provide the most stable quality products and quick services for customers.